Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you all for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I have some fun dies I want to share with you guys in this video, and these dies were sent to me by KSCRAFT. They are on AliExpress. I'll put their link down below of the products that I'm going to show you in this video, and also just to show you what they look like and the sizes that they come in, also how to assemble some of these really great dies. They are also great to run through your die cutting machine. They cut really well. And these are some of the products that they sent to me, and I'm going to show you. I'll show you this one first. This is a really cute one here. They come in two sizes. You get this larger size and a smaller size. When you run it through, you get all these really great little pieces, and you assemble it to make. I'll just show you what you get to make. You make this really adorable hourglass shaker, and this is the larger size here that I've got. And then you get all these little pieces that come with it, except for these little embellishments. That's just from my stash. I placed it behind some vellum and made it into a card. But that's the shaker. It's really cute. So you get to cut the frame, and you also get to cut out the base as well to make the shaker. So I'll just take these out and I'll show you all the pieces. And the smaller one is exactly the same way to assemble. It's just a smaller size, but I didn't make one in the smaller size. So these are the two shapes you get. So this is the backing, and then this is the frame. You also get these little heart-shaped bits to hang on the top, and these are great also. You can use these as tags, and you cut out a little piece of cardstock in any shape, and then you can place this on the top to make that into a little place for your trim. And these are the frame that you join together to make to put the hourglass together. So there are 4 little strips there, and that's the 4 sides. And then there's also this piece, which I didn't do anything with it, but I ran it through just to show you. And then it cuts out these little hearts as well. You could use these little hearts when you punch them out in your shaker as well. So that's another piece you get with that. So that was really great to make. Then I also have this box die, and then you get a little bow shaped die with it, a little tag, and an ornate label. There is also this piece here that you also receive in it that you can add onto your box shape. The box that I made is this one here. How nice is that? It's just so cute, and it's a great depth inside, so you can add lots of fun stuff in there. The measurement for the inside of the box is about just over 3.5 inches in length, and the height is 2.5 inches, and the depth is about 1.25 inch. And I used everything that came in the pack. This is the little tag. Then that's the little bow. I stuck that on the tag. That's the little ornate shape. It's got some stitching around the edge. The stamp that says "Just for You" is also from KSCRAFT, and these are the little word sentiments that you can get, that you can also use in your project. So I used "Just for You," and they just fit perfectly on these little tags as well. So that's the stamp, and I'll just quickly show you the inside, just to show you how it looks on the inside. If I can get the trimmer, I'm using some crocheted trim, and the inside looks like that. So it's quite a good depth to add lots of fun stuff. And to make the box, you need to run the box shape with 2 pieces of your papers. So you run it through twice, and then there are some score lines on there where it tells you where you need to fold, and I'll just quickly just show you. So this one of them, you just need to fold one of these little pieces over on the score line just like that. You'll need a bit of glue or some double-sided tape. You're going to apply some glue onto the little flap that you've just folded. You're going to grab your other piece. Actually, what I should do first is just fold all these score lines quickly. Makes it easier. Just fold them all. So make sure you fold all of your fold lines as well to make it easy to assemble your box. Just going to quickly just fold these down. Normally you press them down really well, but I'll just do this quickly for the video. Okay, so you place your glue on one side and you grab your other piece. You're going to just line that up in between the two fold lines, just like that, and then you'll have them both joined together. And then just bring this side over, and you can see it'll already start to make a box. We're just going to do the same and put some glue on this little flap on the other side, and that will bring your box together. And just lining that up as well. Okay, so that's done. And we just use, and then the bottom part here, you got those two little flaps there on the bottom. We just put glue on each of those. And we're just going to bring one of those flaps over, and we'll just put glue on the other flap to close it all up. And just like that, and that makes your little box. And there's the inside, and then you can add your string through these two little holes there. And then you can decorate it with this part here. It's got these little noughts and crosses, and you can punch, when you run it through, you punch these out, and then you'll be able to use those little pieces into a shaker. I'll just grab these out. So these are all the little shapes that got punched out, and then you can add them into your shaker, and that's what it looks like when you run it through. And then these are the little tags, or the tag and the ornate label size, and that's the little bow. Pretty cute. Then you can just place that on the front there if you like, and then decorate that. I've also used that same noughts and crosses shape die and place that here on a cute little card. So that's just another way for you to use that if you wanted to. I just place it on some plain cardstock, use some die cuts to embellish the front. So you can use that for other projects as well. So that's that one. And my favourite die that I'm going to show you now is this one here. I really love this one. I'll just show you, I'll take it all out. You get a few pieces as well in this one. You get these two pieces here. And you will also receive a ornate label stitched edge shape and another piece that goes on the back. You also get this handmade with love word sentiment, and these really fun ornate corner pages. And then there's a little slit here where you add your photo and you slide the corners of the photo through these slits. But I didn't do a project with this. I've just done a project using these ones, and I'll show you what they look like. I really love this one. You get to make them into little flip tags, and this is the ones that I've made. And this is the word sentiment, handmade with love, and then it makes the word that way, and then you can punch out the letters, and then you can also use those letters on another project. and that's the ornate stitched shape. I used an embossing folder to give the dotted pattern, and you just open it up and then that flips open, and then you can add a little packed goodies. You can write a message in here. It's just another little cute little flip tag. This is the other one. I've used some Prima flowers on these as well, and this is the double layered ornate shape, which is this one here. I use both of those to do that, and the same with the inside, just opens up like that. I really love this die, and I also made this into a little pocket flip tag, and this is the one that I've made with the little pocket page inside. I think this is fun, and then I've just got some tassel charms, and when you open that up, it has this little double pocket page, and I also use these little bows, which was from that other die set, and place that just on the bottom here. And I've just got a couple of tags in there. So this is also another great little addition to add to your happy mail, or you want to add a little gift to a crafty friend. And that is another fun way to do this cute little project. I love this one. This is so cute. And I'll just show you what that looks like when you run this through the machine. When you run it through, you'll get this piece, and then you'll also get this piece here, and you'll see that there is some little score line, and that I'll just assemble it so you can see how it looks like. So what you do here, you're going to fold, oh sorry, not this side, it's on here, sorry, it's on this side there. You're going to fold that over, and then you'll have that little flap. You're just going to place a little bit of glue just onto that flap, and you're going to then attach it to this end here. I'm just going to go this way so it's easy, and that will just sort of give you a little booklet to join it up. So then it does that, as you can see. And then on this side here, you'll have this side here that also has some score lines. You're going to fold that over, and you'll see that the two holes will meet up, and then we're going to turn that to the other side, and you'll see that little piece and that piece sticking out. You're going to place a little bit of glue just onto both of those little pieces that are sticking out. Just a little bit of glue there, a little bit of glue there, and then you just fold that over, and also fold this one back. That will give you that little opening for your flap to get tucked under on the other side. So that will seal that off. So then you'll see that little bit opening, and then this just slides in there like that. And then you just embellish it with all the little other pieces that come with the die set, with these, and also decorating it with whatever you like. And that's just how to assemble this really cute little flip tag. I love this die. This is one of my favorites so far, and I just love this little booklet. And what I've done with this one, I just had a piece of paper, I just folded in half and then folded in half again, and then I punched that out to make the pocket, and then punched a couple of holes and threaded some of my crocheted string to bind the pocket together. So these are these fun dies from KSCRAFT. Again, I will put all the links of these products down below for you. And I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.